Hi guys, I'm Zhonghan. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make red bean jelly. If you guys have not checked out my last week video when I went to Mount Aso in Japan to experience the traditional ryokan, and it was amazing. When I reached the onsen inn, I was served with this traditional Japanese dessert. It's actually quite refreshing and I'm amazed because I didn't know you can turn red bean paste into jelly form and it can be so refreshing and good. So today I'm going to recreate the traditional Japanese dessert. So to start off, you need the water in your saucepan alongside with your caster sugar and agar-agar powder. Turn this up and let it boil. As you can see, this dessert is really very easy to do and I'm sure you will enjoy it. I was told that the Japanese usually serve the red bean jelly during summer because it's light and refreshing. You want to let it boil until it's bubbling so that the agar-agar powder can be dissolved well before you start adding your red bean paste. Now this recipe is also very versatile. If you think that the aroma of the red bean isn't strong enough, you can actually add in more paste, but it will get a little bit softer and more pasty, I would say. I think this is the best combination. I've tried a few times. Okay, once it starts to boil and bubble up, you want to turn down your heat to medium and we shall add the red bean paste. You want to break them apart so that it will melt more evenly. I can't wait to share with you my second vlog in Japan. Stay tuned because I went to strawberry picking in a strawberry farm and it was so amazing because the strawberries were really very sweet. I had so much strawberries. So it would take a while to actually melt down the paste. You can actually change it into a whisk. It's much easier and quicker, I would say. So my paste has melted down and it's evenly combined. You want to shut off the heat and I'm going to use a strainer to actually strain through in case there's any lumps because I want a really smooth jelly. I'm just going to use a rectangular container, but if you want, you could use a square one, make it into heart shape, or just anything will do. Now you just want to lightly tap it to get rid of the air bubbles. Now I'm going to let this cool until room temperature, then I'm going to put it in the fridge to chill for about 4 to 5 hours and I'm going to serve it chilled. So I will see you guys by then. So it has been cooling for about a few hours now and let's unmold it. Just wiggle your way through. Looks perfect. I'll be using a metal spatula to slice it up. Oh my god, it's so good. It's not too sweet. I don't like it to be too sweet, but if you like it to be sweeter, you can actually add more sugar. But this is just perfect for me. And the red bean paste, the flavor of it is really very strong, which I love it. The one that I tried in Japan was a little bit firmer, I would say. Mine is a little bit softer, but I mean, if you like it to be firmer, like harder, just add a little bit more agar-agar powder. But I think this is just perfect. red bean lovers should definitely try this recipe out because it's so light and refreshing and so lovely. And stay tuned for my vlog in the next coming days. I'm so excited to share with you guys. Please support me, and I'll see you guys in a few days time. Make sure to subscribe and check out my website at www.thezonghan.com and follow me on Instagram at ZaTaYaYummy. Bye bye.